Welcome back to our channel, Quick Point Tech, where we bring you tech tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're going to show you how to speed up the performance of your Windows 10 computer so it runs faster and smoother. Whether you use your PC for work, gaming, or just browsing the web, these tips will help you optimize your system. Let's get started. Our first tip is to make sure your Windows 10 is up to date. Go to the Start menu, click on Settings, then navigate to Update and Security. Click on Windows Update and check for updates. Make sure your system is running the latest updates to improve stability and performance. Over time, your hard drive can get cluttered with unnecessary files, which can slow down your PC. Use the built-in disk cleanup tool to delete temporary files, system cache, and other junk. It's easy to use and can free up valuable space on your drive. The next step is to use Quick CPU. Now head over to your browser and search for Quick CPU. Click on the second website that appears. Now scroll down until you see where the page says Release Notes and click on Download 64-bit. Wait for the program to fully download. After download completes, open the zip file. The next thing is to extract the setup file, or just click on it and wait until it fully loads. Allow the software to fully install. I will not be installing it because I already have it. Now, after fully installing Quick CPU, head over to your desktop and open it. Wait for the program to launch. So as you can see, my CPU is at its lowest performance without Quick CPU, so what we are going to do is to set these bars at maximum, or click on the Options tab and click on Set CPU to Maximum Performance. Click on Accept and OK. Now our PC speed has improved because Quick CPU made your computer start working at its maximum capacity. Another method is deleting temporary files. Head over to your Windows Startup button, right-click it and click on Run, type temp and press Enter. This will open a folder with unnecessary temporary files. All you have to do is just delete them and you are good to go. Next is uninstalling unneeded programs. Do you have software on your PC that you never use? Well, it's time to bid them farewell. Head over to your control panel or settings and select Uninstall a program. From there, carefully review the list of applications and remove any that you no longer need or use. Removing unnecessary software can free up valuable system resources and boost your PC's performance. When you use your computer, files are constantly being created, deleted, and modified. Over time, these changes can lead to file fragmentation. This means that parts of a file are scattered across your hard drive instead of being stored in a contiguous block. Fragmentation can make your hard drive work harder to access files, which results in slower performance. Download and install Smart Defrag. Once it's downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Smart Defrag on your Windows 10 PC. Once you've installed Smart Defrag, go ahead and launch the application. Analyze your hard drive now. Let's analyze your hard drive to see how fragmented it is. Click on the Analyze button, and Smart Defrag will quickly assess the fragmentation level of your drive. After the analysis is complete, it's time to defrag your hard drive. Click on Defrag and let Smart Defrag work its magic. Depending on the level of fragmentation, this process may take some time, so be patient. You can monitor the progress of the defragmentation process in real time. Smart Defrag will also show you a visual representation of the optimization process, which is quite satisfying to watch. Once the defragmentation is complete, you'll notice a significant improvement in your Windows 10 PC's performance. Many programs start automatically when you boot up your PC, which can slow down the startup process. Go to the Task Manager, click on the Startup tab, and disable any programs you don't need to run at startup. This will help your PC boot up faster. Another method is adjusting visual effects. Windows 10 comes with several visual effects that can be taxing on your system's performance. Go to Advanced System Settings, then under the Performance section, click on Settings. You can choose between the best appearance or best performance, or customize the settings to suit your needs. So if you want your PC to run faster, choose the Adjust for Best Performance option. Lastly, remove any software you no longer use or need. Go to Apps and Features in the settings and uninstall any programs that are taking up space and resources unnecessarily. And there you have it. These tips should help you speed up the performance of your Windows 10 PC. Remember to keep your system updated, clean up disk space regularly, and make smart choices about software and hardware upgrades. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.